The following segment is sponsored by Martin, Harding, and Mazzotti.
Welcome back. Halloween is less than 2 weeks away, and with school-aged children on the streets after dark, we're going over your rights when it comes to going door to door and for those Halloween parties, which can be fun. Here to help today is managing partner Paul Harding from the law firm Martin, Harding, and Mazzotti. Thank you for being here, Paul.
Absolutely, yes.
Okay, so we know Halloween is a fun time,
Yes.
but of course, folks are dressed up. You've got kids walking around in costumes, maybe with masks on. It's dark outside.
Right.
What can folks do to kind of make sure their group is safe and maybe that their home is safe when people are coming to the door?
Yeah, you know, as a homeowner, I mean, it's that one day of the year you got people just kind of infiltrating your house, right? They're coming in, they're looking for something, or they are risking a trick, right? So people like to decorate the front porch. It's important to kind of keep it, you know, kind of free of clutter. And some folks still use candles, and candles are not a great idea. Got little kids there, sometimes they can interfere with that. Keep lots of lights on. And as far as the folks roaming, you know, the streets, flashlights. Number one thing that will prevent an accident is walking around with a flashlight. Use the sidewalks, and then of course, general safety. If you see a house that just doesn't look safe, don't approach it.
Good idea.
Yeah.
Finally, you know, we were talking about Halloween parties a second ago.
Yeah.
What if you're serving alcohol at the party? What should you kind of keep in mind?
Well, if you're serving to people 21 and over, then you just have to do what's reasonable, right? See someone who's really drunk, the best thing to do is have them stay over, drive them home, get them a ride. But from a liability perspective, you're okay, all right? But if you're serving someone 20 or younger and they get drunk, you've served them, and they go out and injure someone else, you're on the hook. So do what's reasonable, of course, in life, but serving anyone underage can get you in hot water.
All right, you're responsible as the party host.
Yes, you are.
Now, can you talk to us just about some basic safety tips for those trick-or-treating?
Yeah, you know, one of the things that we'll always kind of see is that kids want to go out alone, right? And I guess you're 12 years old, 13 years old, you're getting to that point where you can have an adult with you. One of the mistakes that we unfortunately hear about is a lot of times leaves are piled up and kids want to hide in leaves and pile in leaves, and sometimes people driving like to drive in leaves, and so weird things like that happen. You know, it's the sort of thing, stay on the sidewalk, like I said, the flashlight, and just do what's reasonable and avoid something that looks dangerous.
Got to be thinking the whole time.
Got to be thinking.
Thank you so
Okay,
much.
Yep.